Hello and welcome to Should a Small E-Commerce Business Use Google Ads? In this video, I'm going to show you a major problem beginner e-commerce stores face and a solution that can help you win. Me and my sister are starting a new e-commerce store and we're trying to do sugar scrubs. The problem is Google Ads a good option for us when we don't have the type of budgets that these larger competitors have? And in a moment, I'm going to show you the success you can have using the solution that I put in this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So Google's cost per click. So the cost per click for Google Ads is about $1 to $2. So most of the e-commerce stores will send about $50 to $100 a day, which doesn't sound too bad, but $100 every day for a month is $3,000. Now when you're an e-commerce store just starting out, you don't have that kind of money to throw around. These costs will be higher based on better keywords that are more popular. The quality of the website linked has to be way higher or else you're going to get charged more. And your ad budget is also factored into your costs per click. Say we're in the e-commerce space and the average CPA, which is cost per action, so cost per sale basically, is $45. What does our product have to cost for us to break even? Most of our competitors are selling sugar scrubs for about $13, $15. So these first couple of sales that we're going to make, we're still going to be in the red. So this business is not going to start making profit until a while later. And we're going to have to focus a lot more on not just getting awareness for our company, but also retaining customers, because we don't want to keep having to spend $45 for each new sale. Is Google even worth it? Are we supposed to go to social media? Is there a better way? But when I think about it, Google is completely worth it. It owns 85% of the search market. When my customers who are looking for my product search it up, they're searching in Google. So being there in front of those eyes is completely worth it. And for every dollar people spend on Google Ads, they get $2 back. So we're essentially doubling our money. It's just gonna take us a while to get there. So we have to make sure that our company stays afloat until that point. Is there a way to get the reach of Google without paying their ad prices? And that's when I say yes. The answer is YouTube. It's free. We can stay in the competition and scale our business easier without having to worry about a huge ad budget. So let me give you an example real quick. Alrighty, so I have the example here. I searched up digital planner for 2024, and as we can scroll here, we see all of these ads here. So all of these stores are spending a couple of dollars for each click that happens because they're here at the top of Google. If we scroll just a little bit further down, we can see all these YouTube videos. And imagine that this one, like Amanda Rach Lee, she has in her description her link to her e-commerce store where you can buy her digital planner. Here in Google, on the first page, promoting her product right underneath all the paid ads. But the thing is, hers is free. Like, she doesn't have to pay anything for this. And look at how long ago she posted these, like 1 month. One of these is 1 week ago. Like, Google ranked this video to the first page within a week. If we could put out content and in 1 week get it to the top of Google searches in front of all those eyes for free, this could turn our e-commerce businesses around. This is such an amazing solution. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making more videos on the problems e-commerce businesses face when it comes to marketing. So subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when the next video is available. And also in the comments below, let us know if, as a new e-commerce store, you've ever considered making YouTube videos to better engage your customers or to stay ahead of your competition. I'd love to know. Hey, thank you. Okay, bye.